Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to receive our money in PayPal. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your PayPal account, and after that here you can see this is the main interface of our PayPal account, and here you can see the multiple options available. So like here in the quick links tab you can see there are many options like send money, request money. So simply what you need to do, you have to click on the request money, and simply in this term the request money and receive money, you can use this to receive the money. So simply just you have to click on request money, and after that you will move to next page. So simply here what you need to do, so in the request money section you can receive money. Currently I don't have any amount pending or any amount that I have received. So simply in the request money section you can receive money in your PayPal account, and after that when you receive money your balance will be added here. So in this way you can receive money in PayPal.